We have always been looking at monopolies in the tech space. We have been worried about Facebook, Alphabet, which is the parent of Google, Apple, etc. Well, there is another monopoly which has been growing in the world for the last 50 years. Industry has consolidated and now they are only big four. Let's take a look. Welcome back to Be Rich. I'm talking about the audit and accounts industry. More than 75% of all the world's audits and accounts is done by big four companies. These big four companies are known to one and all. Out of the S&P 500 stocks, only 5 stocks are not audited by the big four. In the case of the FTSE 100, all the 100 stocks are accounted by the big four. In spite of all such dominance, there has been several complaints that these audit companies have not been able to spot big frauds and alert people on time. The biggest scandal happened in 2001 when Enron collapsed. Everybody was worried how Arthur Andersen, a big four company at that time, how did they sign off on the balance sheet? The Arthur Andersen lost its right to practice in America and worldwide. Though the indictment was later overturned by the Supreme Court, the company was broken up and sold to several other audit firms across the world. There is also a big conflict of interest between the audit and non-audit services of these companies. So people are hungry for business and there is a lot of competition. And because there is so much competition, there is possibility of fraud. All politicians and regulators in Europe and America have now started to take note. They are now trying to price open the accounting industry, make it more democratic, so that smaller people can get a chance and make it worthwhile for audit firms to actually find frauds in public companies and alert these shareholders. Normally, when a big four audit signs off a balance sheet, most small and retail investors take it at face value and invest their money. But ever since the financial crisis of 2008, when rating agencies were caught napping, or regulators and politicians on the way out to look out at controlling and pricing open this audit industry. But this is happening. The audit industry has also been consolidating and shrinking in size. Originally, there were 8 companies after the collapse of Arthur Andersen. By amalgamating with each other, today these companies have become the big four. Across the globe, including in India, these big four dominate the accounting services. Most of the spectacular failures in markets have been audited by big four and the investors have not been warned in time by the audit companies. It's high time that the regulators take note of it and end this monopoly in the audit industry. Thank you for watching Be Rich. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification. If you use Kindle, you can buy the book using the Kindle link given below. If you want a hard copy, send a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would get in touch with you. At the very end, if you want to get in touch with me, please send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. I am grateful for your support of Be Rich.